Hi, I'm Matt from the HMO Platform. Now, we help landlords across the UK get on course towards profitability, wealth and success in an ethical way using our next level HMO and co-living strategies. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking all about emergency lighting. Now, this is a very exciting topic, so we're going to keep it very quick. But if you think about it, it's really important to enable the tenants to be able to see how they're going to get out of the property. Because in a fire, that could mess up with the electrics. So emergency lighting is designed to come on when the power goes off. As with anything, we'll need to test it on a regular basis to make sure it works. So once a month, I suggest that you make sure that it turns on, and you'll generally have a test switch that you can use to be able to do that. And every single year, you're going to test it to make sure that it turns on and then stays on. Because emergency lighting will be designed to stay on for an hour or 2 hours or 3 hours after the power has gone. And that will be down to the regulation that you need to follow when it comes to the type of property that you've got. Now, the LaCourse guide and your HMO officer will be able to guide you on how long that period should be. I would generally suggest about 3 hours as a maximum, 1 hour as a minimum, because if you think about it, it's not a very large property that you're trying to get people out of. So this annual test, what you do is you turn the emergency lighting on and then you leave it on until it goes off automatically. And that will tell you that the lighting is sufficient for the amount of time that you need to have it on for. Now, emergency lighting should be in all the fire escape routes. It should be over the fire escape doors as well. In some of our properties, we've got more than we maybe need. In our very first one, we went overkill and put one in every single bedroom. Now, we don't do that anymore because I think that is a bit overkill, but in future ones and ones that we do now, we have them in the corridors so that you can see down the stairs in case of emergency, so no one's falling over themselves for health and safety, etc. as well. So that's all about emergency lighting. If you have any questions about that, then leave a comment below. Or if you want to find out a little bit more about what we do at the HMO Platform, then visit our website, thehmoplatform.co.uk. So thank you for listening and see you in the next video.